Taurus, meditation for grounding and inner security. Welcome. Taurus, you've come here to rest, to reconnect, to feel held by the earth, by your breath, by yourself. You don't need to do anything right now. You don't need to be anywhere. This is your moment, a safe space to return home, to your body, to your breath, to your center. Let's begin. Lie down or sit in a position that feels deeply comfortable. Let your hands rest softly. Let your jaw loosen. Let your shoulders drop. Now, take a long, deep breath in and a slow, easy breath out. Again, inhale, exhale with every breath. Feel yourself becoming heavier, supported by the earth beneath you. Taurus, you are ruled by the earth. Let her hold you now. Feel the connection between your body and the surface below. Feel the gravity gently pulling you inward, downward. Toward safety, toward calm, toward stillness. As you breathe, allow your muscles to release. Your belly to soften, your heartbeat to slow. There is nowhere to go, nothing to achieve. Just be now. Imagine yourself lying in a quiet field. Soft green grass beneath you. A warm sun above you. A gentle breeze brushing your skin. You are surrounded by nature. Slow, steady, timeless. The trees sway gently. Birds sing softly in the distance. You are part of this peace. Now picture golden roots growing from your body into the earth, deep and wide, anchoring you, nourishing you, strengthening you. With every breath, feel energy rising up from the earth through your roots, filling your body with calm, security, trust. Stillness. Repeat in your heart, Durant, I am grounded and safe. I trust in life's rhythm. My body is my home. I deserve peace and rest. I am whole, just as I am. Let these words settle into your bones. Let them echo in your breath. Let them become truth. Begin to return slowly. Feel the surface beneath you. Wiggle your fingers. Your toes. Bring gentle movement back into your body. When you're ready, open your eyes. Bring your attention back to the room around you, but carry the stillness with you, Taurus. Your energy is deep, rich, and steady. Let this meditation remind you that you are safe, supported, and enough. Thank you for being here. Thank you for grounding. Thank you for choosing peace